Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing my Chanel sneakers. So I really hope that you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into the video.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on.
I'm so frustrated, and I know this is not why y'all clicked on the video. Y'all just want to see the sneakers. Y'all don't care about my well-being. But today's video was not even supposed to be today's video. I had another content video. Like I had edited the video. I spent all morning editing the video. When I uploaded it, it was a copyright strike, right? So I'm like, okay, I just need to change this one song. So I always upload my videos unlisted, so I can only see it. So I'm like, okay, I need to change this one song and then I'm gonna re-upload the video. Well, no. While I'm going to go back in iMovie, change out the song, iMovie crashed. So when iMovie crashed, all of a sudden half of my video has no sound anymore. Basically, I have to re-edit the entire video. And at this point now, y'all, I don't know if I'm gonna do that. If I'm like, I may just scrap the video because I don't even have the patience. For one, this is the second time this has happened, and this is just my sign to stop editing on my phone, honestly, because I don't know, I think it has something to do with when my storage starts, the less storage I have on my phone, it's like my phone is likely to crash certain apps. And this is the second time this has happened. The first time, I think the first time it happened was my first moving vlog. Fun fact, or fact y'all didn't know, my first moving vlog, half of the iMovie did the same thing. It crashed and I had to completely edit that video, re-edit it. But it didn't it was the second half. So the video was there, but it was the second half of the video. Still a good amount I had to re-edit, and I was super frustrated. This time I would have to completely re-edit this entire video, and I'm just, y'all, I'm done. So I don't know if I'm just gonna, because it's not gonna turn out the way it was. Like, I'm taking the same clips, but I'm having to edit them. It's not gonna look the way it did for me, so it might just be scrapped footage, honestly. That's just how I feel. Moving on. So moving on, this wasn't even supposed to be the video for this week, but I'm gonna go ahead and we just gonna roll with it. So anyway, y'all, I am super excited because I've been wanting some Chanel sneakers. So here we are, we have them today. Chanelica, we got Chanelica. So I got these shoes from Nordstrom, and when I went to Nordstrom a few weeks ago, I was gonna get some Chanel sneakers, and I just talked myself out of them. I'm like, nah, it costs too much, I'm not gonna do it. And then I went home and I was thinking about the sneakers, and I was just thinking about how exclusive Chanel sneakers are. And I'm just like, it's like one of those things that if you see a pair and they're available and you like them, just go ahead and get them. Because if you do not know, Chanel products, I feel like in general are exclusive, but they're not easy to get either. But if you see something you like and you have the money to get it, if I was you, I would just go ahead and do it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all the sneakers I have. So I went ahead and opened the box, and this right here is just showing me, or instructions on how to take care of the sneakers. Comes with two dust bags. I didn't even realize that. And then extra shoestrings. So I am going to show y'all the sneakers, and I'm so excited. So these are the sneakers that I got, y'all. This color, everything. I had to go back and get my receipt because I couldn't find the exact name of the sneakers, but these are the Sport Trail sneaker that I have, and this is in the color, reading off the box, light gray, light blue, and fuchsia. And there is a little bit of light pink right here. Maybe it cut off the rest of it, but The fabric is suede calfskin. And y'all, it is the details as always for me. You just got the CC right here. On the back of the sneaker, it does say Chanel. And then it has Chanel on the bottom of the sneaker. Also has Chanel on the inside. Y'all, when I tell y'all. And then also, I'm just not noticing too. I always notice something when I'm going to do the video. But I don't know if you can see, there's a CC right here. And there's a CC on the other side as well. So originally, I was not going back to Nordstrom for these sneakers. So I got these from, can you guess? If you've been watching my videos, where am I always? Like, you know what? I should start doing like things so y'all can like win, like doing giveaways and stuff, because I repeat myself a lot. But I got these from Nordstrom in Nashville. And so originally when I went a few weeks ago, I seen some Chanel sneakers. I wanted them. I talked myself out of them. It was not these, and I don't even think they had these in there when I went. So I didn't get them when I seen the Chanel sneakers. I didn't get them a few months ago. So then well, not a few months ago, I didn't get them a few weeks ago. So I was thinking about it and I was like, dang, I really should have got those Chanel sneakers. I just started thinking about how exclusive they are, how they are, I'm not gonna say they are in a way hard to get, because if you see a style sneaker that you like at Nordstrom and they don't have your size, Nordstrom can order them for you. I don't know, but if you go on Chanel's website, you cannot just order things from their website. And then actually this color of the shoe is not even on their website anymore. So I was going, because in my shoe reviews I always go to the exact shoe and like give a description, and I couldn't find like a description of the shoe. But when I went on Chanel's website, this is the one they have right now. Can y'all see that color? It's like a light blue, a yellow. They don't have this one. So that's what I mean by exclusive. Like when I go online and I try to Google this sneaker with this color, I can't pull anything up. So this is what I mean. So I feel like for the price that you pay for the sneaker, one thing that is a plus to me is that you don't have to worry about every other person having your shoe, because they have this design today and they might have another one tomorrow. You know what I'm saying? And then every store doesn't carry Chanel. So yeah, I feel like if you see something from Chanel and you like it and it's right there in Nordstrom or whatever store you're in that sells Chanel, get it. So when I went to Nordstrom, there was another Chanel sneaker I was gonna get, and I will put that style on the screen if I can find a picture of the one I was gonna get. The last one that they had on display was my size, and I would have had to get the display sneaker, and the display sneaker, y'all, was dirty because people were touching it. And so the girl that worked there, she was just like, you know what, I wouldn't even sell you this sneaker because it's dirty. She's like, I wouldn't even sell it to you. She was like, and honestly, she was like, I don't really know if I like that design. So I'm like, So I went back to the drawing board, went back to the Chanel section in Nordstrom, and I'm just looking and looking, trying to make something else pop out at me, because I'm like me and my sister had drove to Nashville for the day. So I'm like, I'm trying to make myself like something, right? And at the time, these shoes were not sitting there on the display. So my guess is somebody had them in their hand, possibly took them up to, a worker to say, hey, I like these, can you find my size? And then eventually the shoe made its way back to the display. So after I, was just standing there trying to make myself like something, nothing popped out at me. So I was just like, you know what, it's not meant to be. So I walk over there one more time to try to make myself like another design or another shoe that's over there, and these were sitting there. So the sales associate that was helping me, I was like, where did those come from? And she was like, yeah, I like those. So she went to see if they had my size, y'all, and the smallest size they had was a 7. I was like, I usually wear a 5, 5.5, but we had to, these are a 6. So these actually do run small. Yeah, these actually do run small because this is a size 6 and it fits perfect. But we kind of had to guess. So the sales associate, she was very helpful. She was just like, do you want to try on the 7? And I looked at her like, why would I try on the 7? I wear a 5, 5.5. And she was like, just so we can see. She was like, if you try on the 7 and it's extremely too big, then we know that you'll need the 5, because I think these don't come in half sizes. She was like, we'll know that you need the 5. If we try on the 7 and it's not extremely too big, I would recommend the 6. And y'all, the 6 fits perfect. Also, I was watching a YouTube video and this lady on the video basically had 3 different style of Chanel sneakers, and she was basically rating them from her favorite to her least favorite, and then she was also telling you the ones that were the most comfortable. She had these in all black, and she said they were the most comfortable Chanel sneaker that she had, and I absolutely agree. Like, the inside of these shoes are so soft. I put them on and I walked around the house and I was just like, wow. Because you know how sometimes just because something is designer doesn't mean it's made with like the best quality, and like it just doesn't mean that it's gonna be comfortable. These shoes got shipped out to me from Nordstrom. The shipping was free, so that's another thing. If you go into a Nordstrom store, they can order any shoe or anything that you want that they have. So that was a plus for me. Did not take long to come. I think the lady told me that I could get these between 3 to 8 business days, and I bought these on a Sunday. I got these on Wednesday, so 3 days. And the price for these shoes retail for $12.25. So like I said, this is just something like if you want to splurge. I really wanted like some Chanel sneakers, and I've been trying to hold off, but I was just like, why not, y'all? Why not? This is how I feel, and I'm starting to feel this. And I think just after the loss of my dad, I really just kind of feel like, y'all, you only have one life. Do what makes you happy. You can't take money to the grave with you. You can't take material things to the grave with you. So if you want something, y'all, and it, just get it regardless. If you want something, get it. And that's what I've been living by. If you have the money to get it, I'm not telling you spend your last and go broke trying to get it, but if you have the money and if the item makes you feel good, get it. I'm definitely gonna get a lot of wears out of these because I feel like any solid color that's on the shoe, you can pretty much, you know, wear an outfit that color and it'll just really pop. So you can wear like pink, black. Y'all know I like to wear black, even though I be trying to mix it up. You know, black or, you know, a solid color, something really would make these shoes pop. So I'm just super excited to wear them, and they're so comfortable. And I'm gonna go ahead and do my wear test, and then we'll come back, or not really a wear test because I've already put them on, but I'm gonna go ahead and try them on for y'all so y'all can see what they look like on my feet, and then we'll come back and end out the video. But anyway, y'all, that is going to wrap up this video. There, I think. Anyway, y'all, that is going to wrap up this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed. Like I said, sneakers are really comfortable. They're cute. I say splurge and get them. I didn't even have, you know how like when you purchase something and you have like buyer's remorse, I didn't even have buyer's remorse. Like once they came in the mail, like I was in love. So I say go ahead and get them, y'all. If you are interested in nothing but my shoe content, I have a playlist. I'm gonna link that down in the description box below. So I hope to see y'all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see y'all in the next one. Bye.
I would